Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Okay, we finally have another video for today, and overall I'm going to be talking about Qualcomm QCOM, ticker symbol QCOM, and this is going to be a very nice play, a little bit high of a confidence, because again we are buying it at a major support, and overall a very similar play to the TSM play. Okay, and around that, we had like 50% gain on that play alone. And Qualcomm looks very nice. Okay, again, a month out expiration, just very nice. Overall it is a cheap buy, even for shares. And then obviously we had the earnings run up. Now first I want to talk about the daily recap. Again, we played, for example, Boeing. We had a 15% loss. It's loading right over here. Okay, so we played Boeing. We had a 15% loss on Boeing. Again, was a very light play. I only grabbed one contract as I alerted it, and right over here we kind of broke out, rejected it, and it hit our stop loss of minus 15%. And then the very nice play for today, a very nice 50%, 60%, I think, right over here was the gap fill. And again, this was on the watch list, and we were overall bearish with the gap fill for this week right over here. So that was a very nice play, around 60%. So overall green for the day. We're up around 50% off our plays for today. So overall, very nice day today, both with SPY and then the Boeing loss. Now I want to talk about Qualcomm over here. Okay, and the key thing is you have to be consistent. Okay, right now, if you're having a rough month like me, you gotta play in very lightly until you're back to being consistent. But this Qualcomm play is very interesting, because we're going to be having a very tight stop loss on this play, and then we're just buying off a major demand zone. Like, we're going to see at least some sort of a bounce at this support, which is very interesting for Qualcomm. And especially if we grab like a month out expiration, I think we're good for Qualcomm. Now overall, we're looking at Qualcomm right over here. I'm looking at this 123. Okay, so as you guys can see, major support. Okay, let's just grab my arrow tool. Okay, so right over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we bounced off 5 times. Okay, so we're going to be hitting the support 6 times, and again, right when we hit the support, I'm looking to buy this. Always please set a alert. Okay, so on TradingView you can set alerts so you guys can get reminded, so you guys don't miss out on those plays. I always set alerts, and whenever I get those alerts, I get trade ideas. This is how my SMS alerts are going to be working in the future. And also the SPY indicator video soon later on, but again, this is how my indicator for my SMS alerts are going to be working. Please set a alert. You guys do need TradingView Premium to set multiple alerts, and link in the description for my referral if you guys do want $30 off of TradingView Premium. Now overall, right when it alerts, okay, I am buying in a month out expiration. Okay, so I want my expiration to be before November 3rd, because again we have earnings. And then our stop loss, okay, our stop loss is below. Okay, so this is basically our stop loss right over here. If we break this support, okay, so if we close below this, or if we just start seeing pressure right over here, this is going to be our stop loss. Okay, right over here. Okay, so right around over here. I was also watching this right over here, if you guys can see. Okay, so right around over here, and let's check our, so overall looks very nice, a very nice buy at this major support right over here. We're looking at the RSI again. It is undervalued. Technicals are showing us that the stock is undervalued. So you can honestly place shares on it if you have enough capital. You can also play leaps on it. The reason I'm grabbing a month out expiration is, or 2 to 3 weeks, is because I want to sell before earnings, and I think we can get a very nice run up for earnings for Qualcomm. So I'm looking to grab, a couple weeks out to play this run up over here, and my price target is going to be around 130, which is going to be a very mental number. So again, this is a pretty high confidence play compared to our other plays. We're looking at, for example, Apple and the S&P 500 play, very nice play. Hot, we're in currently right now. TSM, killer play. And then Boeing was still watching. We failed on a Neil. And then we had the Moderna, remember the breakout on Moderna. And then we had AMD, another very nice play. PayPal, a very nice play. AMC, a very nice play. Netflix, very nice play. And as you guys can see, I make all of these videos to track, okay? And these videos are for me to track me as a trader. It is kind of like my trading log. It is kind of like my trading journal. It's just for me to mentally, trade and just track my progress. And overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys understood the price target, which we have right over here. I'll just label it right now. So we have the price target right over here and the stop loss right over here, and again, just undervalued. And very simple video. I was also looking at AMD for this descending triangle play. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers, so make sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys are enjoying this free educational content, and thank you for watching.